Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to read encrypt message on Messenger. So let's start. So let's go to our Messenger and then let's go to the left side. Then let's go to the corner in the left side to the three lines and then let's go to settings on Messenger. Okay, just click there and then scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Then let's go to security and let's click in the option that says end-to-end encrypt chats. Just click there and then let's go to message storage. Okay, and then you can turn on the security storage. Okay, so in my case it's turned on, there is no problem, but in your case, if this is the option turn on the storage, you have to click on turn on the storage. Okay, so when you turn on the storage, let's back and then let's go to account center. Just click there and then let's go to your information and permissions. Then let's go to download your information. Okay, and then just click on download or transfer information. Click the account that you want to download information. In this case I want this one. Just next, and then you can select available information or specific types of information. In this case I want the specific types because I only want the message. So just click there, just scroll down and select messages. Just click next and you can transfer to destination or download to device. Just click on download to device and then you can select the date range. In this case I selected last year, but you can select last 6 months, last 3 months, last 3 years, all the time. So you can select whatever you want. Just click on the notify if you want to change your email address and the format and media quality. Just click on create files and the file will be created, and when it is done an alert will arrive to your email address and you can read the encrypted messages on Messenger. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.